Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the answer to this question, that is, why can't I post more than 10 pictures on Instagram? So as you can see that this is my Instagram account, and if I show you whether I can post more than 10 pictures or not, you just have to tap on the plus icon, and from your gallery you just have to start selecting the photographs. But first you need to make sure that you select the multiple option, and after that you just have to simply select the images. So as you can see that I have selected these images, and as you can see that these are more than 10, and I'm continuously selecting my images, and it is not showing me this any kind of error that I can't post more than 10 pictures. But if you face that error, then the reason might be that you are using outdated Instagram application. So for that you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or your App Store, then go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now here as you can see that I have an update available, and I'm also in the Instagram beta account. So you just have to simply either join yourself as Instagram beta, so that you would be the first person to check out the new features that comes in Instagram account. Here tap on the update button in order to update your Instagram application, and once it is updated you just have to launch it again and try to post more than 10 pictures. And I'm definitely sure that you're definitely gonna fix this issue, because most of the times the issue is with the updates, or sometimes we are using the outdated version, and this is basically the reason. So I hope this video help you out, and if it does, then do let me know in the comment sections, and also consider subscribing to this channel.